All right, and then I'm going to do the same thing here with my bolt face. I'm going to stay using my steel brush here. And I'm going to clean this real good because this is where a lot of the action happens. This is where our firing pin engages the primer in our cartridge. This is where our ejector seats to help eject the spent casing out of our firearm and away from us. And this is what helps make another round go into battery when we're out at the range shooting. I'm going to make sure this is cleaned up real good. I'm going to make sure that I'm getting up under the inside of this ejector here. It's just got a little bitty lip, and I'm going to use my screwdriver here to kind of point out this ejector right here that my screwdriver's touching. We're going to make sure we scrub under there, right where the blade is. We're going to make sure we get under there with our steel or our brass brush. So I'm going to kind of just turn it on its side here. You don't need to do it a lot. This light steel brush will do a pretty good job in a short amount of time. All right, so I got the bottom of this slide scrubbed up real good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my nylon brushes and I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to work my way around the outside of the slide.